Good evening, my name is Paula Perea. I am 24 years old. I am a student of finance and international business. I am currently working for Banco de Occidente in the commercial area. I am going to buy a house next year and I want to get to know Panama. My family tree is composed of the following people. My mother, Lucia Rodriguez, is 59 years old. She is a professional in gastronomy. She has a fruit shop business. She is going to open another fruit shop and wants to visit my brother in Mexico City. My father, Gonzalo Perea, is 61 years old. He is a pensioner. He is going to buy a farm and wants to grow vegetables. My parents had 3 children. Cesar Perea, he is 39 years old and is an auto mechanic. He wants to return Colombia and open motorcycle business. He has a daughter named Brady. Wow is 13 years old. My niece is currently a student and wants to learn English and French and wants to travel with her father around the world. My other, Estela Perea, is 30 years old. She is beautician and is want to expand her business to open another beauty salon. Her husband's name is Fabio. He is 36 years old. He is an employee in the company for 72. My brother-in-law is want to buy a house and wants to travel with the family to the beach. Estela and Fabio have a daughter. My niece Dana is 8 years old and is a student. She is learning English and wants to travel to beach with her parents. I currently live with my partner Wilson. He is 30 years old. He works in Colpatria Bank. He is going to do master's degree and finance and wants to travel the world. This is my family tree. Thank you.